Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to the House of Jane. So I have a brand new box to my channel. It is by the Red Box of Wellness. This is their Stress Go Away box. It is a monthly box that can help you relieve your stress and anxiety. And this is the first one I'm opening on my channel, so I'm pretty psyched to see what is inside. I did cut the tape, but I haven't looked. Before I open it up, I just want to let you know that in each box, this, like I said, it's a Stress Go Away box. This is a artsy box, this one in particular, but they do have other boxes on their channel that have self-care and beauty related items, and each one does come with some type of book, candle, snacks, and beauty. So let's go ahead and open it up, and it is very, very, very pretty. There you go. And it says, "Dear Lisa, we really hope you enjoy your self-love box." And that is all their socials. They are on Facebook and Instagram and yeah, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. So there's a lot of stuff in this thing, I can tell already. I'm gonna take this off, and we got these squiggly stuff. Oh, just to let you know, this box came in an envelope that was really pretty with stickers on it and stuff. So it's packed very well. This is a bubble envelope. So let me get this stuff off first. And the first thing I see on top is a bath. This looks like a bath loofah, but it is soft and squiggly, and it has a little little tie so you can hang it up in your shower or your bath. And this is very soft. So this is for all your body creams and soaps and stuff like that, shower soaps. So that is the first thing. Very nice. Then we have a couple of snacks. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. I'm going to do a thumbnail really quick. Got to get those thumbnails out of the way sometimes. You don't want to wait to the end of your video or just forget. And then you're looking through your film for something presentable. All right, I digress. Then we got Rip Van wafers. There's 2 wafers here, only 2 grams of sugar. So that's really cool. I love me some snacks. And we got, in a little red bag, very nice, we have tea and honey sticks. So these are really cool. I use 1 honey stick per tea bag, and there are 4 teas. There are 2, actually they're all nighttime teas. They're organic teas by Pukka. So no caffeine. Very nice. I like this. This is gonna get used tonight. And then I see something really pretty on top. I can tell you right away, this is a candle. I love reusing these little tins. Smells very pretty. It's called Watermelon Sorbet Scented Candle. Very nice. So far they're batting 1,000. Then we also got a little bag stuffed with fresh lavender. This is so nice. Let me just sit here and smell it for a second. You know, if you smell like lavender and beautiful scents and just, you know, sit quietly, maybe even close your eyes, meditate a little bit, it's very, very relaxing. Most people just shove these in their lingerie drawer, sock drawer. I personally like to take these on planes, and then when we have some real bad turbulence, I meditate through the turbulence, and this kind would be really nice to smell during scary plane rides. Which are most of them in my book, but I'm actually flying this weekend again, so I'm gonna take this on the plane because I need all the help I can get. Okay, then we got a really pretty pen. Isn't that nice? Very flowery. It says faith, hope, and love. I like that a lot. You know me, I gotta do a pen test. It's, oh, nice black pen, and it writes very smoothly. Now this paper has a little bit of film on it, so I bet it even does a better job on, you know, paper that doesn't have a coat on it. So yeah, I like that pen. Very pretty. Then we got, this is kind of new for me. It's a little bag, and inside, self-love shower affirmations. 20 affirmation cards to use in your shower. I'm a little confused about that. I mean, because the shower is, right, very wet place. So let's just open this up. Jeez, I don't want to ruin this. I am very confused why, am I reading this right? Shower affirmation cards. Do you guys say a prayer or something before you take a shower? I just don't get it. I don't get it. Because these cards are going to get wet. Okay, it will all be okay. Everything is working out for my highest good. Everything is going to be okay. I will take one day at a time, one step at a time. Okay. I'm a good person who deserves happiness, health, and peace. So I definitely understand the sayings on here. It says, every day before you enter your shower, select a card that resonates with your current emotional and mental state. Once in the shower, wet the card and stick it to the wall. And while you are taking a shower, reflect on the message this card is sharing with you and how, by putting this affirmation in practice, will help you better your life. The truth is, you can create anything in your life, and with the help of these affirmation cards, you will help create better mental, physical, and emotional health for yourself and those around you. Well, these cards do have a little bit of a plastic coating on them, but to tell you the truth, I would not stick it on the wall of my shower. I think it would actually ruin the cards. Maybe I am wrong, but they are made of paper. So I've never seen where you would stick a card to your shower. So that is new to me. I think I would definitely read these when I feel like I need a boost in maybe confidence or self-assuredness. I would definitely read these. Me personally, I'm not going to bring them in the shower. I don't know. That's new to me. Maybe you guys do. Do you guys would you put them in the shower with you? I don't know. I don't know. All right. I think I made myself clear on that. Okay, then we have this guy. This is, it says a Don Quixote bookmark. I like bookmarks. And I don't know. What do you think of this fella here? He looks kind of, I don't know. He's just not my type. He's not my type of man. Definitely not my type. I suppose I could use this as a bookmark, though. I think it's kind of strange. I don't know. Sorry. I'm sorry to the box owner. I'm giving you my honest review. I just don't get the guy. I don't get it. But it is a bookmark, and it will serve the purpose of a bookmark. Okay. Then we have some colored pencils. It's a set of 12 colored swell pencils. Very nice. And then the last thing in the box is a coloring book. So if you order, I think the first box that you order for this stress-free art box, you will get a coloring book in your first box only with the colored pencils. And it's a coloring book for adults, stress relief coloring pages. And there are quite a few pages in here, actually. I wonder if they give a page count. I don't know, but these are supposed to be no bleed paper, so it won't show on the other side. And it has positive quotes, Life is tough, but so are you, stuff like that. Old ways won't open new doors. It's a little hard for me to read. That's because, you know, my eyes are old. And then, and other things other than quotes, they do have nice pictures. And I love stuff like that. The mandalas, they have a whole bunch of mandalas. There are some stuff in here that's more, to me, for more of a child. I am magical, I am loved. But I do like the mandala coloring pages. The second half of the book is more my cup of tea. There's flowers, the whole thing on flowers, etc. So what this would be nice to do as well is to practice watercoloring with, or to rip out and put in junk journals, especially if you make journals for friends, or even if you want to share the book or the coloring pages. Makes nice happy meal. Happy mail, not happy meal. We're definitely not at McDonald's. So that is a really, it's a fun box. I love the coloring book. I love the pencils. The shower affirmation cards are great, but me personally, I'm not taking them in the shower. And, you know, actually, I think you could take these with you in your purse and read them throughout the day if you feel that need. I am a little, I don't get the bookmark. I love bookmarks. I just don't get this dude. This dude and I don't know. He's a little creepy looking, but it's a bookmark. It's a nice bookmark. Then we got the snacks. We got the shower loofah, which I love. I love the lavender. I already put it aside because I want to be sniffing this for a while. And I love the candle. That's really nice. And I got the teas all over here. I love the 4 teas with the honey sticks. So this is Red Box of Mental Wellness. This is their Stress Relief Art Box. Oh, I forgot the last thing. We got this really cute pen. I will leave the link down below. There's all sorts of subscription plans, and I'll leave the details and the links if you'd like to go order a subscription plan. You can do month to month, 6 months, 12 months, and obviously when you raise the months, it gets a little bit cheaper. So thank you so much, Red Box of Mental Wellness, for sending me this for my review. It's a really fantastic box. I love the items in it, except for the bookmark. I'm a little iffy on that bookmark. And but everything else is really very sweet and very kind. So thank you so much. Guys, if you like this box, let me know down below. If you want to give me a thumbs up, and if you care to subscribe, that always is very helpful. It helps my channel grow. And I'd love a comment or two down below. It really helps me as well grow the channel. So thank you all, love you all, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.